So for the task 2, the first thing we must do is to upgrade the system first, and then install the TurtleBot Gazebo World. After that, we must launch the TurtleBot Gazebo World. So after launch the TurtleBot Gazebo World, we must choose the component for this map. So for this task, we choose the Iska Museum, and then we put into the map. And after that, we must to launch the Arvis map, and then we must insert the code for build the map. So before we build the map, we must to insert the code to enable the robot to be controlled by the keyboard, and then we must insert the code on the terminal. After done, we use the keyboard to move the robot around the museum, and then we scan the entire room so the map can be built nicely. And after that, we must to save the map by using code and insert it to the terminal. Next, after done saving the map, so we must open the apps called Inkscape so we can repair the map to get a better map. So we clean the map so map will be look much better than before. For the task 3, the first thing that we can do is we can insert the object such as people for this task to do 2D and 3D scanning much easier. So we can do as follow, and we adjust the angle of the robot so it can make the camera in front of the people. The camera can detect the people much easier. And after that, we must install the Find Object 2D file, and also we must install the 3D Find Object 3D file. This allows the computer or camera detect the 3D and 2D image. After done installing the 2D and 3D Find Object file, so we can launch the Find 3D Object. So we insert the code, pseudocode launch find object 3D .launch. As you can see, there are yellow dots on camera that we can use to recognize people. So before that, we also must launch the Arvis navigation and autonomous system on the terminal. And in Arvis, do not forget to add a camera sensor such as point cloud 2 and camera image. And now arrange the Arvis system so we can synchronize with Gazebo World. So now we can add people. So right now, right click on the object column, take a picture, and then we make boxes around the people. And after that, the robot can recognize the people. And now we add the axis. We need 2 axes for people and the axis for the robot camera. This allows us to detect the people inside the Arvis navigation. And now the sensor recognizes the object and name it as 7. And now we can ask the robot to go around the museum, and the turtle bot can still recognize the people within the museum. The people exist will appear on the RV's navigation if the turtle bot detect the people. Hello, nice to meet you.
RoboCup UTHN team.
For this task, we need to build a robot that can able to recognize the speech from the user and move and do the task that given by the user, and after that can play sound to reply the user. So for this task, we need to import the speech recognizer and import GTTS, which means Google Text to Speech, and we need to import play sound to play the sound from the robot and from the robot text and can speech to the user. Okay, so to command the robot, we use this function. Okay, and we can command the robot to go to the desired location by adjust the position X and Y, and also the orientation of W. So we put X equal to X, Y equals to Y, and W equals to W. For the next function is speak function, where we allow the robot to speak to the user. So the robot can ask the user what the robot can do for them. And finally, the main function, which allow the robot recognize the speech by using microphone, and also we allow the robot to ask the question. So right now I want this robot to speak, "Hello, how can I help you?" and audio adjust the ambient noise from the surrounding, so it will help keep the noise from distract the audio. Okay, and after the user speak, and then the robot will reply that says you said plus what we want the robot to say. And this is the coordinate that we record from the program, and the robot will go to the coordinate that we set.
Hello, how can I help you?
Come to me.
Going to you. Hello, how can I help you? Hello, how can I help you? Hello, how can I help you?
Come to me.
I do not understand. Can you repeat again? Hello, how can I help you?
Come to me.
Going to you. Hello, how can I help you?
Go to gallery.
Going to gallery.